Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Edge browser settings. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you simple setting you need to enable in order to block website tracker, most especially if you are on a private mode section of Edge browser. And this tutorial promised to be a quick guide, so let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your Edge browser, and after you open up your Edge browser, come to the top right there, click on these three dots right here, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to go to New in Private window, or press Ctrl Shift plus N. Once you click on that, it takes you to this particular page. Then you can simply scroll down right there. Now, how can I control my tracking prevention setting when browsing in private mode? What you need to do next is to click on Settings right here. Then after click on Settings, it's going to take you right there. And the next thing you need to do is to go to Tracking Prevention, and it's going to take you right there. Next thing you need to do is to go to Strict. Then once you click on Strict, and make sure this button here is fully turned on. It's that simple. So website use tracker to collect info about your browsing. Website may use this info to improve site and show you content like personalized ad. Some trackers collect and send your info to website you have not visited from. And this is one of the kind of way to protect your privacy, most especially if you are browsing in a private mode on Edge browser. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. But for more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Edge browser, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in my next video. Peace.